to another video, and today we are going to play I forgot about this game's name. It's about crashing an airplane and see how many airplane crashes you got, and then after that you can get like any airplane, but you have to do like so many crashes, like this one. This one cost 25 crashes to own this thing, and so we will try to get the most crashes. And you guys already know how many crashes I got. 4. So yeah, I need more to get this airplane, and I have landed safely on time, but this time I have to crash like big explosion. So yeah, you guys might enjoy it while my passengers will just choke and then die. So yeah, let's spawn our first airplane. So yeah. Hello guys, welcome back to another plane, and this time we have an emergency, and this time, oh my gosh, bro, I literally was about to make a crash emergency, and then out of nowhere this building was in front of me, and then anyways, I was going very slowly. Then I was going down very slowly to tell them that the plane has a fire. So yeah, this is not good. It's a good idea. So yeah, let's spawn again. And this time I have another airplane. So yeah, welcome back. We have an emergency and it's fire, so yeah, this fire will explode all of the passengers, so make sure you guys stay safe, and when the fire begins, you guys, and then the plane crashes, then you guys have to jump very fast and leave the airplane like me. Run. Okay, 6 crashes. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh, I just passed my my last one. The last number 130. Oh my god. Yeah. I'll sit in someone's place. Bro, already finished? Oh my god. Okay. This now I'm gonna just fall down. Okay, this building. Oh my god. Imagine we lost one wing and then still flying. Everyone get out immediately! Oh my gosh, everyone is literally escaping. Is that Gojo? Oh my god, Gojo is literally out here. I think Gojo touched snow for the first time. I have to mute the music because if it's copyrighted. So yeah, internet. Oh my gosh. Okay, my internet is literally so crazy. Oh my gosh, can I at least? Okay, yeah. Finally, I could crash the plane. That wasn't even a crash. That was a normal. Bro, huh? fire! It wasn't a good landing. Okay, this time I'm gonna do a great landing. So yeah, call me Razak the pilot. So, do you know, guys? My brother, he's an engineer for airplanes. Yeah, and I think he's also a pilot. I think so. Yeah, open this door. Open this door. Bro, how are people getting out? How are people getting out outside already? Oh my god. Anyways, this time I'm gonna do without any fire. Fire, fire truck. Fire, fire truck. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I literally. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm literally killing everyone in my place. Okay, I have to get 25 so I could get another airplane because I have been using this one for over a day already. Bro, what? I was trying to do a normal landing. Oh my gosh, how is that floating? I think that's Gojo floating. Gojo's baby floating. Mm. Mhm. Oh my god. Oh my god! Chill! Chill, chill, chill! Oh my gosh, chill, chill, chill. Wait, wait. Yo! 1000? Bro, I ain't chilling. I'm doing more. Speed up the plane. Oh my gosh, my man. Bro, I'm lagging. I'm literally lagging. Oh my gosh, I have to go to a private server. What? I think we could land. Okay, can I at least land? I think put fire, then we will land. Yeah, fire. Fire here. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, the fire is getting on the star. So you could survive like Gojo or die. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Is my airplane also Gojo? It ain't. It ain't. Bro, I think my airplane is now Gojo. Finally! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I literally fell into the outside the map. How much it's just shot? Bro, put some pants on, bro. Bro, I'm kind of feeling sad. Oh, I think I'm in someone's. Oh no, we ain't gonna land safely. Oh no, I'm just gonna. Oh my gosh, I'm literally dying. Bro, this guy took me to the next level. Oh, I'm feeling laggy. Yeah. Go to a private server. Yeah, this guy. Bye bye, guys. Hope you like the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And hope you guys will like this video. Make sure to subscribe or I will come in your dreams. And see ya guys soon.